Sorry guys about the last video. I got interrupted with a call. Some scammer about an extended car warranty. So before that car ended the video, I will just be continuing where I left off. So like I was saying in the last video, this fuse relay box runs all of these fuses. Runs all of those. Don't worry about that truck, it's just my Uncle Rod. Now, you want to see the inside? This is the inside of a Pontiac Firebird. Yeah, they're actually really good cars when they're brand new. This one turned to crap. So, yeah, like I was saying about that thing. This tube, oh wait, wrong tube, sorry. This tube right here runs all the fuel into the whatever. Okay, so one last look at the engine before I end the video. That is your one last chance to look at it. And thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.